Number 6 says, solve the traveling salesman problem starting at city A. So my first route would be 20 plus 15 plus 50 plus 30, which is 115 miles. The second route would be 20 plus 10 plus 50 plus 70, which would be 150 miles. The third route would be 70 plus 15 plus 10 plus 30, which is 125 miles. So the next three are the reverse directions. So the fourth route will be 70 plus 50 plus 10 plus 20, which is 150. The fifth route will be 30 plus 10 plus 15 plus 70, which is 125. And then the last route will be 30 plus 50 plus 15 plus 20, which is 115. So the minimum distance is going to be 115 miles. And you can either take the first route or the last route, either one. They're actually the same route, just the opposite direction. So I'm just going to put the first route.